Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a laptop stand. And you see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, here's what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up. And right underneath that, we do have all different parts. So let's take it all out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what's included inside. So they basically provide guys 3 different parts for you guys to set it up, and it's very easy for you to assemble it. So all you have to do is insert the bottom part here onto the bottom right here. So just like this, just slide it in. Same thing for other one. Once you guys set it up, here is basically what the bottom part looks like. And you see how the bottom does have like the non-slip material, so that way when you guys do put on a flat surface, it won't move around. And then here is basically what the part looks like inside. Here is the front. Here is the other side, and here is the back. And then for the top part here, and you see we do have like the non-slip material as well, and also on this side. So that way when you guys do put your laptop on here, it won't slide and it won't move around, and also won't get any scratches because of the material that's on here. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality aluminum material. And the way how they design the product is actually pretty cool. They give you guys this huge gap right here, so that way your laptop has a ventilation option when you guys do use it. So I'm actually put my laptop on top to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so right here I do have my laptop. If you guys put it on top, here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do put it on. You can see how it does support my laptop with a 16-inch laptop. And when you guys try to move it won't move because of the non-slip material that's on here. But here is basically what the product looks like from the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and here is the other side. And the cool thing about the product when you guys do use it, it's very easy for you to assemble it, but it's very easy for you to take it apart as well. So I just pull it out. You can take it out really easily, just like that. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality laptop stand that has a similar design that's on here. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously with those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.